244 species in genus Calanthe. September 23rd, Calanthe, Calanthe, the Christmas orchid, defines September 23rd. Calanthe symbolizes elegance and festivity. You bring joy and celebration to any gathering. Like its delicate blooms, your beauty shines brightly. Calanthe, an orchid for all seasons. My fascination with orchids began in my childhood, wandering through the vibrant markets of Hanoi, where vendors displayed a dazzling array of these exotic blooms. Among the many genera that caught my eye, Calanthe holds a special place in my heart. These terrestrial orchids, often called Christmas orchids or prayer plants, boast a diversity and beauty that continues to captivate me. Calanthe belong to the Orchidaceae family, is a large genus, with somewhere 244 species. They're found in tropical and subtropical regions across the globe, but Southeast Asia, in particular, is a hotspot for Calanthe diversity. This geographic preference makes them feel like a personal connection to my heritage. What strikes me most about Calanthe is the sheer variety within the genus. Some are evergreen, their leaves a constant source of lush greenery, while others are deciduous, shedding their foliage in a seasonal rhythm. This deciduous characteristic is unusual among orchids and gives them a unique appeal. The leaves themselves are often large and pleated, adding a textural element to their beauty. But it's the flowers that truly steal the show. A spectrum of floral delights. Calanthe flowers come in a breathtaking array of colors, from the purest white to vibrant yellows, oranges, pinks, and even deep purples. They're often borne on tall, erect stems, creating a striking display. Some species have a delicate fragrance, adding another layer to their allure. The lip of the flower, a modified petal that serves as a landing platform for pollinators, often features intricate patterns and colors, further enhancing their beauty. One of my favorite aspects of Calanthe is how they bridge the gap between the familiar and the exotic. While they possess the undeniable allure of orchids, their terrestrial habit makes them more approachable than their epiphytic cousins. They can be grown in pots or even in the ground, making them a versatile choice for gardens and homes. Cultivating Calanthe, a rewarding challenge. Growing Calanthe can be a rewarding experience, though it requires some understanding of their specific needs. They prefer a well-draining medium, such as a mix of bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss. Watering needs vary depending on the species and whether it's deciduous or evergreen. Deciduous Calanthe require a dry resting period when they lose their leaves, while evergreen species prefer consistent moisture. Light is another crucial factor. Most Calanthe thrive in bright, indirect light, similar to what they would receive in their natural forest habitat. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, so it's best to provide some shade during the hottest part of the day. A closer look at Calanthe species. The diversity of Calanthe is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Conservation concerns. While Calanthe are a source of beauty and fascination, it's important to remember that many species are facing threats in the wild. Habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal collection for the horticultural trade are major concerns. By choosing nursery-propagated plants and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that these orchids continue to thrive for generations to come. My journey with Calanthe is an ongoing one. With each new species I encounter, my appreciation for this remarkable genus deepens. Whether you're a seasoned orchid grower or just starting your journey, I encourage you to explore the world of Calanthe. You might just find yourself as captivated by these orchids as I am.